Hey you, welcome to Beauty Over 40. Today we are creating a look based around April shower bring May
You can
flowers.
see I have a few flowers here on myself.
So if you like to see this look I'm creating, definitely stay tuned. But check out my girls' look. They're beautiful looks they have created based around this theme. Of course, I will have their channel links down below. And stay tuned for the video.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds. Somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to be using two palettes. So when I think about April showers, which obviously we're past April, but it's been raining a lot. And April showers do bring May flowers, which I'm really excited about all the rain because I have a little garden. So that means I don't have to go out and water as much. But when I think about showers, of course, rain, I think about the colors blue and white or clear, something to that effect. So with that being said, I'm going to be using a couple palettes to create my look. So the first one is by Glam Light. I'm using the Hershey's palette, and you can see all the beautiful blues that are in this palette. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so I'm not sure what I'm going to be using yet, but we're going to be using something. And then the other one is Violet Voss Essentials palette, and there are the colors in there. Of course, I'm going to be using some of those warm colors for my crease. So that's what we are going to start off with. Eyeshadow primer, which is really beat up. All right, we're gonna be going in with the P. Louise base. And I just have my Petri dish here. It goes a long way. All right, we're just gonna go in. I'm just gonna press that in. Wipe some of that product off a little bit, and then we're going to run some of that underneath our lash line as well. All right, guys, so I switched it up a little bit. I came to the conclusion the Violet Voss transition color is a little bit dark, so I'm going to go with the Warrior 2 by Juvia's. And I'm going to go in with Yodit, which is right here. So we're going to start with that for our crease color. I'm going to concentrate that like in the beginning here, just a little bit towards the end. All right, we're just going to get a fluffy brush and blend that out just a little bit. All right, so I'm going to set that to the side. Now I'm going to go into the Violet Voss color palette, and then we're going to go in with Cinnamon. Okay, so we're just dropping down a little bit and pressing that in as well. And we're just gonna blend that out. That comes off a little blotchy. So I'm gonna give up on that palette. I'm gonna go back to Juvia's and just use that palette. I'm gonna go in with these two colors. We're gonna just work with it, okay? So now I'm gonna go in with this dark blue here. We're gonna go in the outer corner. I'm gonna lay down some powder. We don't wanna mess anything up. So now I'm going in with the color next to it, which was a little bit darker. So first we went in with this one. And then the darker color. bit. Can always go back in and add more. Do you ever feel like you don't have enough brushes? I know I do. Okay, we're just gonna keep building up till we get the color payoff we want. And I went a little wild on this side, so I want this side to match. I haven't did like color in a very long time, you guys. Like I've done some smoky eyes here and there, but you know, like a whole eyeshadow look like now, I haven't done in quite some time. This side is a little bit higher, I feel like. All right, we're gonna go back into Yoded, which was that first transition color we used. And we're just gonna blend out some edges here. Soften that line a little bit. Now, the only thing is, I don't know what color I want on my lid. I know I don't want like a completely blue eye because like I kind of did that last time. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with that one just because I want a pop of little something something in the inner corner. So I'm gonna go with this flesh tone color here in this Hershey's palette. I'm gonna go back into Yoded and put that under my lash line just to get a little bit of color down there. So we're gonna go ahead and try to complete the eyes, and I want to create like some raindrops. So I think what I want to do is go in with this color here. I don't know if you can tell, but it has like shifts of blue in there. I'm going to lay down some of my liquid sugar. Okay, and then I have this cute little palette. It has like flowers and glue. So we're gonna open this. I've had this for a while and I've just never used it. So we're gonna go with the liquid sugar. But this is right on time. I just so happened to pick it up and saw that it had flowers in there. Love it. All right, so we're gonna lay down a little bit of liquid sugar in the inner corner of our eye. Put a little bit of that on my Petri dish. All right, so we're just gonna go in the inner corner here. And here. And then we're just gonna go into that eyeshadow I showed you. It's a little bit windy outside. A little bit of pizzazz there. Little raindrops. Let's see what these flowers are talking about. I guess while we're at it, we'll put some more here. All right, onto the mascara. All right, I have this. This is actually supposed to be a correcting crayon, but I'm gonna use it for a liner. Here's the brand here. This did come in a BoxyCharm. Pull down my lash line. Just to brighten a little bit. All right, now lashes. Y'all, look what I've been putting my lashes in. So they don't get messed up. They always get smushed. Going in with my favorite glue, which is Star Lash glue. It does not damage your lashes. Like, it peels right off. And I love that. Doesn't leave a film on your lashes or your strip lashes or your lashes. It just peels right off, and I love that. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on. So here's the lash that I wore yesterday. You can see it just comes right off. This video will be uploaded after the holiday. So tell me, what did you guys do? I often say that holidays now are really just a day of rest, just because most of us, like, we're working so much. Times just feel so different now. I don't know if that's if that's because of age, or like if it just genuinely feels like times are different now. You guys let me know. What did you guys do? Did you guys chill at home? Did you visit family? I'm gonna go in with my powder here and just a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna set my concealer here that I've... All right, I'm just gonna brush through my brows a little bit just to lighten those up a little. Okay. Not so much on the tail, but definitely in the beginning here. I love that look. All right, so now I'm gonna do my hair, find a lippy, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, and for my lippy, I'm just doing a nude. The eyes are a little dark in the outer corners. I just wanna go with my regular nude. Nothing too dark, right? Because, you know, flowers are usually on the brighter side. There are some darker colored flowers that are really beautiful, but we're gonna stick with a lighter lip. And I'm just using my favorite nude lippy. It is from a private brand, and I don't think they're around anymore. This is my completed look. I will come closer so you guys can see. All right, so as far as flowers, I like several flowers. I do garden every year, and nothing that I'm going to cut right now. Okay, this is what I do. I will insert a picture of a couple of the flowers that I have around my garden. But I would probably say my favorite flower is a calla lily. However, I don't have any calla lilies in my garden, but I have several flowers that I love. So I like the calla lily. I love zinnia. Zinnia is a really beautiful flower. It's a very heat tolerant flower. So like if you want to grow a flower during the summer months, zinnia is definitely a beautiful flower, and it comes in a beautiful array of colors. It lasts pretty much the whole summer. I like marigolds as well. Marigolds are another flower that's very heat tolerant. It's gonna last throughout the whole season. But I have salvias, I have vincas. Oh, I have some moonflowers growing. I also have some morning glory flowers that are growing. So I really got into like flowers during COVID. I did do a little gardening before COVID, but I think when the pandemic was going on, it really pushed me to, you know, get a little bit and more into plants and flowers. So I think my look definitely represents that today, because I love quite a few of those flowers. Yeah, so that is my look for this month's collaboration with my beautiful girls of Beauty Over 40. Once again, I will have their channel links down below, and you can check out their video. Let them know that I sent you over. And as well, if you are a Beauty Over 40 and you like to join the Beauty Over 40 group, which again, we collaborate every month. We come up with a theme and we create a look based around that theme. You know, you can reach out to myself or any of the girls that are participating in this month's collaboration. And with that, that is it for today's video. So if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRH Makeup. Also, my second handle on TikTok, which is _Beauty Over 40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications, that way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.